Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. I hope you all are doing well. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, please, guys, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at what gold will be showing us this week. But before I go ahead, I'll be pinning a video to this channel. So once you check the channel, you'll see one of those trades you took on gold on the Patreon channel. I mean, to those of you that are not yet a subscriber, you can actually now become one of our subscribers. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So I literally did 40% discount last week, but some people were unable to join due to the fact that it was closed. Now I'm going to reopen it, which means you now have the opportunity. If you missed it to join last week, you can now join now. So there will be 40% discount that will only last for 2 days. So you can now join. If you failed to join last week, you can now join now. So just go to the link in the comment section. You see the link in the comment section to the Patreon channel. Subscribe. Like I said, you just have about 2 days before it will expire. The offer will expire. Now let's take a look at what gold actually gave us. We actually sold on gold, which actually hit our profit. Gold actually gave us, if I'm not wrong, we actually had about 200 plus pips on gold, which was our target, which was massive. So this week now, with what I am seeing right now, I am expecting gold to actually break this lows. That is exactly what I am saying. I will be expecting gold to drop to a level of 1950. From a level of 1915, the next level I'll be expecting gold to actually drop to is a level of 1939. Now, I know many of you guys will be saying, okay, right, this is the major level. Gold should go ahead to give us that bullish move, right? But when you take a look at your factor, right, DXY is our factor here. When you take a look at DXY or our USD index, you see that one of these major level where price supposed to reject is at this level, right? So I am expecting DXY to actually continue with the movement to the upside, right? This is where I am targeting on DXY. I am targeting this level, which is a level of 102. We are currently trading at 201. So price is at this major level. So if eventually price eventually breaks above it, right, then we would see gold drop, right? That is exactly what we will be expecting. Now, do not just go ahead and take the trade blindly. That is it. You would want to get a confirmation. You would want to get a confirmation because when we take a look at this DXY, if in case DXY starts falling from here, then we are very much likely to see gold give us that bullish move. But once this DXY starts giving us that bullish move, right, like that is what I am predicting. Once this DXY start giving us that bullish move, then definitely we will see gold drop more. So keep an eye on DXY, watch it. Like I'm saying, you need a confirmation before you go ahead and sell. You need a confirmation. So if in case you are interested in trading gold, you can become one of our subscribers. I mean, there's a 20% discount, 40% discount going on right now, which is going to last for 2 days. Those of you that have not joined, you can now join, right? You can join so you'll be able to take the gold. And if you want to watch the trade we took on gold last week, just check the channel. I'm going to pin the video in the channel. You'll be able to see the video and you'll be able to watch it. I'm also going to put the link to some of those trades we took last week. Like I said again, you need a confirmation before you take your sell on gold or before you buy gold. Every of those trade, more in-depth analysis will be covered on the Patreon channel. So if you're interested, you can sign up. The link will be in the comment section.